Warning to all children, this poem is totally disgusting and should not under any circumstances be recited to a girl. I'm doing it anyways. Booger Love. I love this little booger, all shiny, green, and black. You can hold it for a minute, but I want my booger back. It stays right where I put it. It sure knows how to stick. And if it gets too dry, it just needs a little lick. I can hold it on my finger. I can flick it in the air. I could stick it underneath a desk or in my underwear. I can make a ball and roll it just to see which way it goes. I love this little booger anywhere except inside my nose.